Curious about 3D printing? Come to Muncie Public Library to explore our technology. We have 3D printers at both our Connection Corner and Maring Hunt branches. 3D printers melt down plastic or filament that starts out looking like large fishing line, and then extrudes onto a platform layer by layer until it builds the object of your choice or design. A popular website to find pre-designed objects is called Thingiverse, where people have uploaded their designs to be printed by anyone. If you're more into designing things yourself, there's a website we often have people use called Tinkercad. When you have your file, we load it into our software that lets us select the size and quality of the object. We then change the filament to the color of your choice, and then press print. Small objects can be completed within 20 minutes to an hour. Larger objects can take upward of 20 hours. After your print is complete, we weigh the object to determine the cost. Prints at the library cost 10 cents per gram. 3D printing, another technology available at Muncie Public Library.